Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so let's get started. So today we will consider all the situations that are happening right now in Bitcoin, what goals to expect in the near future, and also let's take a look at the current situation together and understand at what levels to open positions on Bitcoin and what is happening now in long-term and short-term analytics. We're now on the 1 hour time frame. I don't really like to trade from figures, but nevertheless, we had an equilateral triangle here which was broken down, and the price stopped at our last support level. The price draws the big candlestick, and that is, the bulls are trying to bring the price above the technical zone, below which we will have an even stronger fall. Will it fall? We will talk about this today later. So bulls are trying to bring the price right now in order to have the potential for further growth. On the 1 hour time frame, we need to make such an overlap with the green candlestick. We need to cover this red candlestick and continue to grow further. We had a good formation. We had high lows and high highs at the macro level. On the 1 hour time frame, there was a feeling that this is a growing figure and the fall will end in the $27,400 zone. So far, we have almost rewritten the structure. We have made a practical lower and minimum. If on the 1 hour time frame we manage to clear this zone, then it will be a cancellation. But one way or another, we are close to rewriting the structure and going further down. On the 1 hour time frame, the picture is approximately the same. We need to close this drawdown with a quick recovery and then continue to grow. At a minimum, it should be a bounce to the $27,900 area, fixing higher, and then we're moving further to $31,000. So for now, it looks like a manipulation movement, but we will talk about this later. Also, we are moving to the 4 hour time frame. When we move away, we see that we have a regular formation. Nothing much has changed since March 19th. March is a flat with a false exit up, and now there is normal trading inside the range. Our range has been formed for quite a long time already, for 2 months. It's $27,600 and $28,800, and this is the range within which the price will move at least another week or a little bit more. So far, we're not talking about breaking through the range down. We are well established above the global support level on the 4 hour time frame, and so far everything looks good enough. Where to pick up Bitcoin? It's really interesting question, so let's look at an even more global level of support. Now we are standing at the level of $26,500 and at $27,300. And this support level, which is marked with the green block, this is the main one here when this level is broken. And the next big level is the green block, $24,300, $23,800. It's quite serious level. It's justified by our Fibonacci grid that we have, and which we'll go through a little later, and I will show you what I have been talking about where I expect to see Bitcoin. And the support level we have is $22,500, $21,800, and $20,600, and the last one, $19,482. This is where Bitcoin can go, but of course, I wouldn't like to see such a zeroing of large growth and parabola. And about where you can pick up Bitcoin in the near future. So let's look at the short-term Fibonacci. Quite a long time ago, we discussed that we had a momentum here, which we saw and which came to the zero level, $30,887. And this short-term momentum had to be corrected anyway. And the nearest correction level that is expected for this grid, according to the local impulse, is $25,300 and $24,000, and rather real targets for Bitcoin, and they are in line with our Fibonacci grid. So we can come here and make a jump of $32,000 or even $37,000 on this Fibonacci grid. However, if we see $24,000 anytime soon, so this would be a great place to pick up Bitcoin or go long. Also, friends, let's look at the daily time frame. Here we see that we have come to the minus 0.618 zone, which is $31,000. We have come to a zone that has been globally marked for a long time. There was a huge amount of liquidity to sell, and Bitcoin was trade, but one way or another we have achieved the first goal. As you remember, I had a long position on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. I didn't close it, I only closed 30% of this loan on my first target, and my expectations are still about the same. And the first target is $35,000 and $42,779. So I think that by the end of May or mid-June, we will see already given targets for Bitcoin. Again, when we see this will be decided in the next few weeks. If we see a longer and deeper Fibonacci correction, then we will increase the growth time. If we see $24,000 and possibly even $22,000, then the upside time to $30,000 will increase. But also a deep correction gives us the opportunity to see bigger targets at $37,000 and $48,000. So far, nothing has changed globally. We are following our Fibonacci grid, and the immediate target is $35,000. Nobody canceled this correction. I warned you about them a long time ago, about a couple of weeks ago, and I told you there might be a correction and we might see such values. If we see them, then we shouldn't be surprised. Now we have practically come to these values of $24,000, and no one is embarrassed by the fact that we can see these goals. So except that this fall is quite manipulative, I see this on Fibonacci grids and on some indicators. We can expect that in the near future we will again see a rise to $30,000, a retest of $30,000, and after that a decline to the area of our Fibonacci grid. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my free Telegram group. Also, don't forget to put your likes and comments